Good morning, students. Hi, how are all of you? Fine? Safe at home? Good. So, after a long time, we are starting with our first language class. So, in the last class, we had read about Unit 3 Exploring Advertisement. Yes, we read the activity 1. This activity 1 is an article about how advertising targets our children. This is written by Dr. Perry Class. So in the last class, we had read the whole article and explained also, right? Today we are going to write the new words. Okay, so over here only the words are given. Word meanings we have to write on our own. So let us write together. You have to write this in the notebook. To promote means to support or to encourage. If I am promoting something means I am supporting you. Support or encourage. Okay. Then childhood obesity. Obesity means overweight. So when a child is overweight, it is called overweight. In his childhood, when a child is small in his childhood and that time he is overweight, he is called childhood obesity or childhood obese. स्क्रीन टाइम मीन्स व्हाट? आजकल हम ये वर्ड बहुत सुनते हैं, स्क्रीन टाइम. स्क्रीन टाइम ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई की वजह से स्क्रीन टाइम बहुत हो रहा है स्टूडेंट्स का. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्क्रीन टाइम? स्क्रीन टाइम इज द टाइम spent on TV, computer or mobile or even game zones. Computer, mobile and even game, and even if you're playing games, that is called screen time. Okay. Now the next word is brand. In the article we've read a lot about brand. Brands do this, brands do that. So what is a brand? The product of a company. किसी भी company का जो product है, it is sold under a specific name and that name is called a brand. Made under a specific name and this name is called a brand. जैसे सोप, तो HUL कंपनी का जो सोप है उसका नाम है लक्स. एक और सोप आता है जिसका नाम है डव. तो ये सारे जो है वो ब्रांड नेम्स है, ब्रांड के नाम है, डिफरेंट नेम्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके. The next is strategy. Strategy मतलब क्या? To strategize. If I am making a strategy means I am making a plan of action. Next is persuade. To persuade someone means to convince someone, to make someone do something. Okay, to convince someone. We have to add one more name which is alert. Word alert means, if you say I am alert means you are quickly noticing. The quick to notice means alert. Okay, so these new words we have to write in the notebook. Now let us come to the question below. In this article, who is Perry Class? Who is Dr. Thomas Robinson? Both doctors talk about children. Which doctor talks about his own children? So if we read this article, we come to know that both of them are doctors, but different doctors. Okay, so this answer I am writing over here. You have to write this answer in the notebook. Okay. Dr. Perry Class, he is the author of this article. He is the writer of the article. We have to write the name of the article. How advertising targets our children. How advertising targets our children. This article is written by Dr. Perry Class. Now let us write who is Dr. Thomas Robinson. So this person, Dr. Thomas Robinson, is Dr. Thomas Robinson is a professor at Stanford University and is also a doctor. And also a doctor at Lucille Packard Children's Hospital. Lucille Packard Children's Hospital. Okay, so both of them are doctor. One is the author of the article and the another one is a professor at Stanford University and he is a doctor at a children's hospital. Now, the next question. Both the doctors talk about children. Which doctor talks about his own children? So yes, Dr. Perry Class talks about his own children. You will not directly start writing the questions and answers, okay? You have to read the article once before you start writing all this, okay? So read the article once and then we have to write all these things. You can pause the video and write with me only. Okay, there's a spelling mistake here. It's Thomas Robinson. You can pause the video and write, okay? Now let us move ahead. This activity you have to do at home alone. So you have to write popular advertising slogans. Slogan means the slogans that brands use in advertisement, okay? So you have to write that slogan and you have to write what they are trying to sell. Now, what are the examples of slogan? अगर जब ad देखते हो तो उसमें सर्फ एक्सेल की ad आती है तो क्या बोलते हैं? दाग अच्छे हैं. So this दाग अच्छे है is the slogan. Okay, so we will write the slogan as दाग अच्छे हैं. Correct? And what products? So first we will write Surf Excel. And Surf Excel क्या है? It's a washing powder. The product is washing powder. Like this you have to write others. आज जब हम टीवी देखने बैठेंगे तो we will keep our book with us and जैसे ही we get a slogan we will write it. Okay? यहाँ पे the column is for 5. So we have to write 5 slogans. Nobody will write Surf Excel को मैंने already बोल दिया है. Okay? You have to write 5 other slogans and the brand and the product that they are selling. Okay? Understood? Okay. Let us move ahead. Now, out of all these 5, here you have to write a slogan that you feel is the most interesting slogan. Most interesting means आपको जो अच्छा लगता है, innovative लगता है, that you have to write. And advertise, why do they use slogans? To make the customers feel in ways that will make them want to buy. उनका product दिखवाने के लिए वो लोग बहुत funky, interesting से slogans लिखते हैं. So the slogan that you feel is the most interesting आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है और वो slogan आपको कैसा feel कराता है. How does the slogan you chose make you feel? You feel happy, you feel related, sentimental, emotional. कैसा feel होता है वो आपको लिखना है. Okay? This we are not going to do. We'll do it in the class next time. Okay? Okay, let us move ahead. Let's come to the next page. This is activity 3. Now, based on the articles, 2 questions are given. We have to answer these 2 questions. So the first is, in the article, how advertising targets our children, Dr. Class is also trying to persuade his readers. What does Dr. Class want to persuade his readers to think and do? What does the writer want us, मतलब जो article पढ़ रहा है, the readers to think and do? So we will write the answer again in the notebook. I am writing over here for your reference. Okay. So write it with me only. Dr. Class wants the readers to understand that sometimes people who want your trust are not really your friends. This is what the doctor is wanting us to understand and think about. He also wants parents to help the children to recognize that they are being persuaded. They are being persuaded in the advertisement. And that the sellers want to sell things, but the buyers have to decide whether they want to buy or not. Okay, so Dr. Class wants the readers to understand that sometimes the people who want your trust, जो advertisement देते हैं, they are not your friends. Okay, वो लोग अपने benefit के लिए आपको सामान बेच रहे, they want your trust for their benefit. So he wants them to understand this कि वो आपके friends नहीं हैं. And the author also wants the readers to, the parents to help the children to recognize that advertisement say the people are trying to persuade them, to convince them. Okay. And the sellers, they want to buy things. So they will say anything. But we have to decide whether we want to buy that product or not. Okay. So this is the answer for this question. Let us move ahead. Dr. Class uses more feelings to persuade. He also uses evidence from scientific research. Look very carefully at the article. List all the facts and ideas that comes from the research. Now from the article you have to tell all the facts and the ideas that are mentioned in the research. Okay? This you have to do on your own. This is homework. So you have to do activity 2 and this activity, both of them are for homework. Clear? Do you have any doubts now? If you have any doubts, you can meet me in the next Zoom lecture and we will clear all the doubts, okay? Till then, bye, take care and have a very nice day.